Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change regional settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select Time and Language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select Language and Region. At this point, you can go ahead and change your region settings by going down a little bit farther down on this page. And country or region, you can click inside this drop down here and select your country or region. And you can also change your regional format. So instead of selecting recommended, you can select a custom one from this list here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.